Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. Today we are going to find the area of a quarter circle. This is a diagram in which this is the center of a circle. Let this point is A, this point is B, and here we draw a line that represents from C to D. And the distance from A to D is 4. This is a quarter circle, 1 by 4 of a circle. So from center to end of the circle we have this radius. Represent this by R. So if this length is R and this length is 4, so this whole length is also R because this is also radius. So distance from O to D will be R minus 4. Since this side and this side are equal, so this length is also R minus 4. Now we will draw a diagonal from this and let this is a right angle triangle. Then we will say this is the radius also. Represent this by R. Now we have to find the value of R. For this purpose we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. According to this, hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. So in this triangle we have triangle OCD. We will say hypotenuse is R, this is R square, base is R minus 4 and perpendicular is also R minus 4. Now solve this. R square equals R square minus 8R plus 16, and here we have plus R square minus 8R plus 16. Now we get 2R square minus 16R plus 32 minus R square. So we get R square minus 16R plus 32 equals 0. Now here we apply the quadratic formula to find the value of R. So R equals minus B plus minus B square minus 4AC over 2A. So we will substitute the values in this formula. According to that, R equal minus B means plus 16 plus minus 16 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 32 divided by 2A. So we will get 16 plus minus 16 square is 256 minus 128 divided by 2, and 256 minus 128 is 128. So 16 plus minus square root 128 divided by 2. So this is 16 plus minus 8 square root 2 divided by 2. So taking 8 as common or divided this by 2, we will get 8 plus minus 4 square root 2. So this will be the radius. Now we have to find the quarter circle area. So we write the radius value here. R equal 8 plus minus 4 square root 2. So we will consider only the positive value because radius is positive. So radius is R plus 4 square root 2. Now we know that the area of a circle is pi R square. For quarter circle area equals 1 by 4 into pi R square. So we have 1 by 4 multiply by pi or pi by 4, and R square means 8 plus 4 square root 2 square. Now we will solve this as pi by 4 into 8 plus 4 square root 2 into 8 plus 4 square root 2. So we will take 4 as common from this one and get pi into 4 will be cancelled out by this 4. So 2 plus square root 2 into, and you can also take 4 as common from this one. So 2 plus square root 2. So this will be the area. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem that is related to geometry. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.